Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you what happens to potassium permanganate when we mix it with a small amount of concentrated sulfuric acid. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is 18 molar concentrated sulfuric acid. This is potassium permanganate. I'm using a watch glass. This is a solution of trimethyl borate and a dropper. The first step is to measure out 1/2 gram of potassium permanganate and put it in the center of your watch glass. Next, add a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid onto the potassium permanganate. Once you've covered your potassium permanganate with sulfuric acid, it should have kind of a green hue to it. Now you're ready to test it with trimethyl borate. Here's our trimethyl borate solution. Let's find out what happens when we add just a drop to our mixture. Look at that.
So what's going on in this amazing redox reaction is we start with the reactants potassium permanganate and sulfuric acid. We have 2 moles of potassium permanganate, that's the 2 KMnO4, and 2 moles of sulfuric acid, that's the 2 H2SO4. When those combine, they create the products potassium bisulfate, water, and magnesium heptoxide. We have 2 moles of potassium bisulfate, that's the 2 KHSO4. We have 1 molecule of water, that's H2O, and we have 1 molecule of manganese heptoxide, that's the Mn207, which is the most volatile molecule that's created in this reaction.
I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.